things that sets the Inhouz Cloud subscription management module apart from other services is the ability to pay your subscribers. This platform enables you to turn your SaaS applications into marketplace applications. So you can think of use cases in e-commerce, use cases in healthcare. You have users, right? Generic users that you have brought in through your funnel, purchase goods and services from your subscribers, and then in turn, those subscribers get paid out. In this video, we're going to go over how a subscriber can connect their payment distribution account. So I'm currently logged into the account settings as an admin user to a subscription service. In order to connect a payment distribution account, which is an account that your subscribers will get paid, it's pretty much a bank account, you must enable this in your subscription service configuration. So in the payments config, you must turn on enable payment distribution and then pick your payment distribution gateway. So we go over this in detail in a video called Paying Subscribers. You can watch that video. We go over payment automations. We go over all the different concepts with regards to paying subscribers. In this one, we're just going to focus on the subscribers setting up their payments distribution accounts. But we're going to touch on a few things. So enabling payment distribution just simply means that this service or subscribers that subscribe to this service can be paid. And the payment distribution account is basically where your Stripe account that is connected to your bank account, where these funds are going to come from. So to configure a payment distribution gateway, all you need to do is go into the Inhouz Payments module. You can navigate there from the main menu, Inhouz Payments. And then you will just need to jump into the outgoing payment gateways. Like I said earlier, your payments distribution gateway is simply just a Stripe account. You go to your Stripe account that has the bank account that the funds are going to be coming out of. Get the API keys for the test and the live environment. Save or add, and that's it. You can also add some webhooks so that when payment distribution events occur, you can automate based on certain events types. So now that you've connected your gateway, what happens is that now your subscribers are then going to connect their accounts. But when they connect their accounts, Stripe is connecting their accounts to your gateway. So the Inhouz Cloud platform is just a middleman that basically transfers funds from your payment gateway, which is basically just a Stripe account connected to your bank account, to your subscribers' payments distribution account, which is just their bank accounts connected to a Stripe account. So on this platform, as you probably noticed, the payments are facilitated or powered by Stripe. So now back in the account settings page, going into the payment distribution accounts, your subscribers can see the account name. This can be changed if they want to. The currency, this is important. This is the currency of their bank accounts, and the country. So the currency and country are very important because Stripe doesn't offer services in every country. They're an amazing platform, but unfortunately, not every country is covered. But most countries will be. So to begin the connection process, all your subscribers need to do is just click on begin onboarding. So this is going to take them to Stripe to begin the onboarding process. Let's go ahead, put in the phone number. It's a two-factor code. Let's go ahead and put in that code. Perfect. All right, so now we are in Now for this demo, we're going to use the individual workflow because it's just a lot shorter than the company workflow where they require like company documents, KYC, and everything like that. We're going to just keep this as individual for this demo purpose. All right, so now the next step, you're just going to put a name here, call it Brian Johnson. I'm going to put our test email. There we go. Put in a generic birth dates. Pick a random address. Put a test social. Close this out. Put over here industry and website. And then we're just going to pick from one of their test bank accounts. We're going to pick the one that will consistently give us successful transactions. And just like that, I believe we are done. Okay, agree and submit. Perfect. So now we re-navigate to the Inhouz Cloud platform. We get the message, the payment account onboarding is complete. So now if we refresh the page, we no longer see the begin onboarding workflow. We can now basically see the delete accounts. Your subscribers can click on this and it will navigate them to the Stripe Express dashboard, and they can basically see all payments that have come into their accounts. Pretty cool. So now that they've been connected, if you wanted to pay them, it's very straightforward. You can just go into, in the video where we go through the paying subscribers, I walk you through how to automate these payments. And we're going to go through this in more detail in the Inhouz payments module tutorial videos. But for here, we can just give for this demo, we can just put a test payments, call it invoice 500. Random, but yeah. Outgoing payments gateway will be our US Central Payments Gateway. Our user is in our subscriber account is in the production environment. If I had an invoice number, I could connect that. If I had a purchase order number, I could write that. If I had a unique key for like automation purposes later on down the line, or if I wanted to integrate with like a Salesforce or whatever, I could put a key here, and in an automation, I could get that key and do whatever I wanted to do. If I wanted to schedule this, I could schedule it. If I had a file storage service, this is like, a Google Cloud storage account or AWS S3 account, I could connect it. And this is where, the attached files we sent to. Here I can basically add the recipients and we can see our subscriber clearly says it's a subscription account and the status is complete. Select that account. I'm going to pay this user $500 US. We're going to submit. It says it was successful. I'm already getting the email notifications. Everyone is going to get the email notifications. If we go back over here and look at our incoming payments, we don't see any. And that's probably because if we go back to our outgoing payments, we do have an approval workflow that basically states that payments above $100 needs to be approved by me. So I'm going to go onto the outgoing payments approval request. I can see our Beaming INV 500 payments. You can view it. All right, it says it's awaiting approval. You can scroll down over to the bottom, click on review and approve. Awesome. So now we've gone ahead and we've approved our payment. Okay. So, right, it's refreshed a couple of times. And right here it says that the payment failed, and I suspect that it failed because there was not enough funds in that account. But if this went through, then it would reflect in our incoming payments. Awesome. So in this video, we've pretty much gone over how to connect payment distribution accounts. We know what they are. We know why we connect them. You can watch the supporting videos that go over subscriber payments, that go into detail on how to automate these payments. We just attempted to run one manually. So go watch the videos in the in-house payments tutorial playlist and get a full 360 understanding of how payments work, how to convert your SaaS applications to marketplace applications as well, so you can basically monetize in every way possible. All right, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.